निषिद्धैरप्येभिः लुलितमकरन्दो मधुकरैः करैरिन्दोरन्तश्छुरितैव सम्भिन्नमुकुलः विधत्तां सिद्धिं नो नयनसुभगामस्य सदसः प्रकीर्णः पुष्पाणां हरिचरणयोरञ्जलिरयम्. Ashwatthama has he now knows that his father is no more, that his Drona is no more. The Sarathi, Drona's Sarathi charioteer, he enters into the stage and he tells, he informs Ashwatthama about his father's death. So Sarathihi Ashwasena. His name is Ashwasena here. I don't know if it coincides with what Mahabharata also has. We need to check at some point. Okay. In the shlokam. Yeah. Arya kathaya kathaya ashruni vimunchya Arya kathaya kathaya katham tadrik bhuja virya sagaraha tatopi nama astam upagataha. So let me know, tell me how my father, who is like an ocean of his valor, how did he die? Astam upagataha katham iti kathaya. So how the shloka is interspersed with the dialogues here. Kim shishyad guru dakshinam guru gadam bhima priyaha praptavan. So this is, I think, the 9th shloka here. It ends here. The first line is here. Okay. Usually some readings, some texts you will have. So the shloka will be in bold font. The rest will be in a medium font. So you will know that the shloka, this is part of the shloka. So Kim Shishyad Guru Dakshinam Guru Gadam Bhima Priyaha Praptavan. Bhima Priyaha Atra Dronaha. Dronacharya. So Dronacharya who Bhimaha Priyaha Yasya, for whom Bhima is favorite. Did Drona receive Guru Gada, receive the heavy hitting of the Gada, of the club from Bhima, a blow from him? Did he obtain it? Because he loved Bhima so much, he liked him so much, that Bhima gave it as a Guru Dakshina to Drona. Guru Gadam Shishyat Bhimat Guru Dakshinam Guru Gadam. So Guru, the first Guru here refers to the teacher. A Dakshina towards the teacher is given usually at the end of your studies. So here, did he give his own weapon as, that is indicating that it is a blow from the weapon? Did he get it from his Shishya Bhima as a Guru Dakshina? So Guru Gadam Guru Dakshina Rupena Praptavan Kim. Did he obtain that as a Guru Dakshina? Iti Prathama. So first, the possibilities. See, Ashwatthama thinks about only 3 people at this point who are capable of killing Drona. The thought of Drishtadyumna doesn't even enter into his brain. So the first thing is Bhima. Because Bhima is Pratignavan Saha. So it is possible that he has that kind of anger in him to take revenge, and so he could have killed Drona. Possible. So Kim Shishyat Bhimat Bhima Priyaha Dronaha Guru Dakshina Guru Gadam Guru Dakshinam Eva Praptavan. So Guru Gadam here refers to Guru as in heavy. The heavy blow of the Gada as a Guru Dakshina from his Shishya Bhima. Did Drona get it? Drona here is one who is dear, one to whom Bhima is very dear. Shantam Papam. It's something unheard of. A Shishya killing a Guru. So Ante Vasi Dayaluhu Ujjitanayena Asaditaha Jishnuna. Otherwise, the next possibility is Jishnu. Jishnu refers to Arjuna here. So Jishnu can mean Vishnu also. In Veda, you find the word Jishnu being used for Indra. Since Arjuna has been born with the Amsha of Indra, he is also referred to as Jishnu here. In Mahabharatam, there are places where he is referred as Jishnu. So Arjunaha atra. Jishnuna Arjunena Antevasi Dayaluhu Antevasi Vishaye Yaha Dayaluhu Vartate Dronaha. So Drona, who is extremely compassionate towards his student, which is Arjuna. It's very clear in many episodes that his favorite is Arjuna. Drona, even though he teaches every weapon, all different kinds of weapon, still he by nature is an archer there. So that is, and Arjuna proved to be the best among everybody. So he was the Guru's favorite. So, Antevasi Dayaluhu, one who is compassionate towards his students, Tadrashaha Dronaha, Ujjita Nayena Jishnuna. Ujjita Naya is an adjective to Jishnu here. So, Arjuna, who has crossed all limits of Naya, crossed the limits of morality or, rules. Here, Naya refers to the Yuddha Nayam. Not actually Yuddhanayam. If it was Yuddhanayam, he won't even suspect that. Here he is talking about Lokaniti, Lokaniyati. So did he let go of all of his the discipline? Probably, you can say, not exactly discipline or anything, but more like உலகத்துல இப்படி பண்ண மாட்டாளோ இல்லையோ அந்த மாதிரி விஷயத்துல சொல்றார். சோ உலகத்தினுடைய நியதியை விட்டுட்டு அவர் அப்படி கொன்னாரான்னு கேட்கிறார். உஜ்ஜிதனயேன இங்க நயஹாக்கு என்ன போட்டிருக்காரு பாக்குறேன். நயஹா நீதிஹி இத்யேவ உக்தம் அத்ர. So having given up the rules of propriety, probably, that you normally find in the world, ujjitanayena jishnuna tadrasha arjunena asaditaha kim. So was he killed by இங்க ஆசாதிதஹங்கிறதும் அதே தான் போட்டிருக்காரு. ஹதஹ இத்தியர்த்தஹ. யூஸ்வலி ஆசாதிதஹனா பிராப்தஹான்னு எடுத்துப்போம். அத்திர தூ ஹதஹ இத்யுக்தம் ஆசாதிதஹ. Kathamevam bhavishyati. Suta says, how is it possible? That cannot even, that is unimaginable here. Right? Shantam papam na, you have to cover your ears and say that. In the sense, it is a papa vishayam that is being said. And so, that papam should not occur. So, it's not, let it go away. Let it vanish away. Adhan Shantam Papam Garad. Kathamevam Bhavishyati. This is an impossibility. That is, that Arjuna killing Drona is a complete impossibility here. Ashwathama. Govindena Sudarshanasya Nishitam Dharapatham Prapitaha. The third possibility is Krishna. So the first one is Bhima. Second is Arjuna. The third one who is capable of killing Drona is Krishna. Govindena Sudarshanasya dharapatham nishitam dharapatham prapitaha dronaha. Was he taken, was he brought under the sharp edge of the Sudarshana Chakram by Govinda, by Krishna. So Govindena Krishnena Sudarshana Chakrasya Dhara Nama Tatra, it is that sharp blade is called Dhara. Kripana Dhara, or the Asidhara Vratamidam Niti Shatakatla, you must have read that. So Asidhara meaning Dhara is the sharp edge is called Dhara. So here Dharapatam is the blade. So the path of the Sudarshana Chakra's blade, which is extremely Nishitam sharp. Okay. So was he brought to that, was he brought under that sharp path of Sudarshana Chakram by Govinda? That is, did Govinda throw his Sudarshana Chakra and kill Drona? This is the third possibility. Hetadapi nasti. There is a logic behind it, because Krishna said he will not fight in this war. He will only be a charioteer. That was the rule, that was the accepted deal in the beginning. Balrama, along with all of the, Balrama decided to stay neutral. He said he will not fight. He sent his army instead to support Duryodhana. Krishna said, I will support Arjuna. Whereas Duryodhana said, you should not take up your weapon at all, because the moment he takes up weapon, everything will be destroyed here, and people know that he is God incarnate. So that's why it is not possible that Govinda, Krishna would do that. Ana oru edathula, I think when Bhishma was fighting with Arjuna, at that time, Krishna gets really angry and he takes the wheel of the chariot and goes to hit Bhishma. but then he stops at that point of time and Arjuna kills him. So அது ஒரு அந்த பீஷ்ம ஸ்துதியில வரும் in Bhagavatam. He wanted to அந்த அந்த தன்னுடைய வாவை காப்பாத்துறதுக்காக he did that. Okay, so Kumara, ஆமா ஒரு there is a picture there about that. ஆமா ஒரு கிருஷ்ணா வந்து அந்த சேரியட்டோட வீல் எடுத்துட்டு I think it's an ISKCON picture that you will have a painting. Etadapi nasti. So this is also not the real reason. Then Ashwatthama says, Shanke napadam anyatah khalu guroho ebhyaha chaturthadaham. I don't doubt a death from anybody else, a killing from anybody else from another source other than these three. Ebhyaha chaturthat. Ebhyaha is fifth case. Apart from these three, from a fourth person, chaturthat guroho apadam na shankhe. So idu vandu aham ebhyaha anyataha chaturthat ebhyaha chaturthat anyataha illana anyataha chaturthat, both are fine. From another source, from another fourth source apart from these three, I don't doubt my father's death from any other people other than these three. So இவர்களை தவிர நாலாவதா இன்னொருத்தர்கிட்ட இருந்து ஒரு ஆபத்து வரும் எங்க அப்பாக்குன்னு நான் நம்பல அப்படிங்கிற. சரியா? So குரோஹோ ஆபதம் ந சங்கே. குமார ete pitasya kupitasya mahastrapanehe. He says another shloka here. Kim dhurjateri tulam upayanti sankhye shokoparuddha hridayena yadatu shastram tektam tadasya pihitam ripuna ati ghoram. Even these three, if Drona decides to take his bow and try to fight these three, they cannot stand in front of Drona in a battle. He is, because Drona is like Pashupati, he is like Parameshwara himself, that nobody stands equal to him in a battlefield. If not, if Drona had not dropped his weapon because he was very unhappy, none of this thing could have happened. That is, he would not have died. So Sankhye ஏதே அபி தஸ்ய குபிதஸ்ய மகா அஸ்திரபாணேஹே. நான் இங்கே அன்வயத்தை பார்த்து சொல்லிட போறேன். இட்ஸ் டூ மச் ஆஃப் திஸ் பேஜ் தட் பேஜ் போயிட்டு வரணும். தஸ்ய குபிதஸ்ய மகா அஸ்திரபாணேஹே தூர்ஜட்டேஹே இவ. திஸ் இஸ் an upama here. So தூர்ஜட்டேஹே இவ, like Shiva himself, Maha Astrapanehe, if he has a great astram in his hand and if he is angry, Drona, if your father in a battlefield, Sankhye, like Pashupati, if he has also taken his bow in hand and with an astram, not only bow, astram, the arrow has already been placed on the bow with a mantram. So mantra purvakam tatra banaha tu nihitaha eva. Tarhi kupitascha saha. He is not randomly having a jolly time fighting here. He is angry. If he is angry, then ete api kim. What can these people also do? Ete api kim tulam upayanti. Even these three, Krishna, Bhima, Arjunaha api asya tulam ya upayanti kim. Can they even be considered as similar to சாத்ரிஷ்யம் உபயாந்திக்கு தூர்ஜட்டேஹே. இங்க கரெக்டா வந்து 6th கேஸ் போட்டிருக்கு பாருங்க. We read this in Kumarasambhava. துல்யார்த்தைஹி ஆதுல உபமாபியாம் திருத்தீயா அந்யதரஸ்யாம் is the சூத்திரம். கரெக்டா? நம்பர் மறந்து விடுது. 5 something. So துல்யார்த்தைஹி சஹா ஆதுல உபமாபியாம். If the word tula or upama is being used, you cannot have tritiya. For all other cases, you can have tritiya anyatarasyam, which means you can express that expression in shashti and in tritiya. So dhurjatehe tulyam It's not tula. Okay. So dhurjatehe tulyam athava dhurjatina tulyam. Both are possible. Tritiya and shashti are possible. If the word tula is there, you cannot have tritiya vibhakti. Dhurjatina tulyam iti na bhavati. It has to be only sixth case. Shivasya tulam upayati iti. அங்க வந்து in Kumara Sambhavam it is in Tritiya. Anga he justifies it with a different reason there. That's fine. So atra ete api, even these three, can they even come close to Drona if he is angry and he is also carrying his weapon in his hand and he is resembling Shiva here? It is not possible. They cannot bear comparison in the battle with the Drona. Yada tu shoka uparuddha hridayena shastram tyaktam tada asya ripuna ati ghoram vihitam irukano, not pihitam. Vihitam irukano. Yeah, vihitam. That is the correct reading here. So yada, when shokoparuddha hridayena dronena shastram tyaktam, when Drona, whose mind was completely uparuddha, it was his mind was stopped by shokam. Sometimes you become stupefied because of the grief that you have, right? You don't know what to do. You're unable to move. When that kind of a feeling was there for Drona, tadrishena dronena shastram tyaktam, he left his weapon at that point. Only then tada asya ati ghoram vihitam ripuna, by the enemy ripuna, asya ghoram vihitam, a very horrible action was done to Drona. Okay. Etepi etepi tasya kupitasya mahastrapanehe kim dhurjateriva tulam upayanti sankhye shokoparuddha hridayena yada tu shastram tyaktam tadasya vihitam ripunati ghoram. If I was allowed to set a question paper, I would not ask the last line. I would ask this second line here, because that gives a beautiful upama and it is also difficult to place who is being described here. Ashwathama kim punaha karanam shokasya astra parityagasya va. So what is the reason for Drona to feel upset? Shokasya karanam, what is the reason for his grief? And astra parityagasya va, or what is the reason for him to let go of his astram? He has a weapon in hand and in the middle of the battlefield, why did he become upset and why did he put away his weapon here, abandoned his weapon? Nanu kumara eva karanam. Intonation evlo it matters la. Nanu kumara eva karanam. Indeed, you are the reason. Kumara here refers to Ashwathama. So katham ahameva nama. How is it possible that I am the reason? Ashwathama. So sutaha shuruyatam ashruni vimuchya. As he is describing that scene, he is unable to hold himself. Ashwasena, the charioteer. So shruyatam, listen to it. Ashwathama hata iti pritha sununa spashta muktva. Very simple words here. Swairam sheshe gajayiti kila vyahritam satyavacha tachrutva sau daita tanayaha pratyaya tasya rajnyaha shastrani ajau nayana salilan chapi tulyam mumocha. இந்த இடத்துல I think it is சஹோக்தி சொல்லலாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இங்கே போடலையா? Okay. I'll have to take up the other text where there is one reading which has all the, in the Vyakhyanam there are these alankaras also mentioned. Anyway, this is a Sahokti here. Ashwattham.
In which commentary, Mahodaya?
There ஏதோ ஒன்று பார்த்தேன் long time back. I used to refer to that. I don't remember. If I get that link, I'll send it.
So some other commentator has done this job.
Siladala, he has mentioned one or two alankaras there. So yeah, I'll check if I can find it.
Anyway.
So kaha vadati, that shlokam, the 10th slokan, the dashama shlokam. Kaha vadati.
இது இங்க போட்டிருக்கே சூதஹா.
Sutaha.
எஸ். See, Ashwatthama doubts who killed Ilya. So who killed Drona? So Suta is none of these three are possible to even face him. They are not equal to Drona. It's the charioteer who replies. Then Ashwatthama says, then what is the reason for his, if he had not dropped his weapon, and if his mind was not filled with grief and he had not dropped his weapon, he would not have been killed by the enemy. Then what is the reason for his grief? So then the Suta replies, Kumara eva karanam, you are the reason. Katham aham eva nama, how is it that I am the reason? Ashwatthama says. Then the charioteer replies, he describes the scene there. Ashruni vimuchya. As he sheds tears, he says, Pritha sununa Ashwatthama hataha iti spashtam uktva. Pritha sununa. Prithayaha sunuhu. Pritha sunuhu. Here he will take it as Yudhishthira, because in the next line you have Satyavacha as an adjective to Prithasunu. So the one who's sorry.
So beautiful. Build up.
Yeah. So and the adjective irukkaradhunala it is very easy to illana Pritha's children are 3. So Kunti putraha tu trayaha atra. Satyavacha Prithasununa, the one who always speaks the truth, which is Yudhishthira. So by the son of Pritha, who always speaks the truth, Yudhishthira, Spashtamuktva, he clearly says, Ashwatthama hataha. Ashwatthama is no more. He is killed. Iti Spashtamuktva, having said this very clearly, Swairam na mandam, very quietly, Sheshe Gaja iti kila vyahritam. Sheshe, the rest of it, in the rest of the matter, in the rest of the Vishaya, he says Gajaha iti Swairam vyahritam. He says very softly that it is an elephant by named Ashwatthama. Everybody knows this incident. Ashwatthama hataha atakunjaraha. Idane idula paapom. That's the whole point. He hears it from Yudhishthira and then it is a shock, because he won't believe anybody else's words. He believes Yudhishthira because Yudhishthira is a person who speaks the truth always. That is why it's a Krishna comes and tells Yudhishthira, you say Ashwatthama hataha. He says, I cannot. No, there is an elephant named Ashwatthama. You say Ashwatthama hataha. Athakunjaraha, you have to say softly, that's all. By which time Bhima will make a huge noise that part of Gajaiti is completely gone. So it's a very Vanchana Yukta, right? Adha solven. The entire life, Pandava lived a very righteous life. Yet the way they waged a war was not at all righteous. Whereas Kauravas, they waged a very, very proper war. They did not do any of these cheatings here.
Exactly.
Ellame thappu. Ama. Paathomna.
This word Swairam, right? Swairam usually Swairam viharanti, he goes where he pleases.
Yathechaya.
Yatechaya, right? Usually that is the meaning, right?
But I think Kosha gives the meaning of Mandam also for Swairam. Yeah, I think it is அவ்யயமா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் ஸ்வைரம்னு. ஓஹோ. ஸ்வைரம் பார்க்கறேன். According to slowly, softly, cautiously இருக்கு. Shanai shanaihi.
Yeah, I wonder. Okay. So, but regarding your comment about the adharma of the Pandavas, I think the Pandavas do adharma for the overall cause of dharma, whereas the Kauravas do dharma for the overarching cause of adharma.
Correct da. In a way, their adharma was very selfish adharma. Inge vandu adharma was to uphold dharma. அது என்ன நீங்க அந்த பாலகிருஷ்ண சாஸ்திரிகள் யாரெல்லாம் நேர கேட்டிருக்கேன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. எனக்கு வந்து when we were in school we used to have Balakrishna Shastrigal come and do pravachanam. For 2 years he did. 1 year was Ramayanam and I think another 2 years or 1 year Mahabharatam. So every day the last period for us was all of the periods were shortened to some 40 minutes and then 1 hour for him to do pravachanam at the end of the day. So it was the whole school will assemble there. I think from 4th grade to 12th grade or something like that, we all would assemble. He would do the entire Ramayanam நாங்க கேட்டோம் for the whole of the school year. And the next year was whole of Mahabharatam. அதுல இந்த செக்ஷன் வர்றச்சு அஸ்வத்தாமா ஹதஹ ஹத குஞ்சரஹ அப்படின்பார். அந்த அந்த மைக்கோட எஃபெக்ட் he would use so beautifully. அது அப்படியே வந்து the way he describes கண் முன்னாடி நிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் அவரோடது. if I don't know if it's available online or what, but அப்பெல்லாம் ரெக்கார்டிங்கே பண்ணிருக்க மாட்டான்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
அதான் maybe if recording is there now, Kantan is putting all those small clips in his YouTube.
அப்படியா? ஓ, அப்ப பார்க்கணும். அந்த இடத்துல அப்படியே அந்த ஒரு மிருதங்கம் எல்லாம் அடிச்சுட்டு வரும். அந்த அத கொஞ்சரகான்னு வர்றச்சே ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். இட்ஸ் யாருமே அங்க இருந்து பார்த்தது இல்லை. nobody has witnessed Mahabharatam war directly, but you know the imagination that even pravachanakartas have to give that drama on stage is just beautiful. அது ஒரு அதெல்லாம் பெரிய விஷயம்.
Such a great idea, right? In school they did that Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Yeah. We used to have that because this was before they showed on TV. Before Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana came, this happened in school because they had a Pravachanakarta come there and he was the most famous person and they could bring him then. Which was
moral science period. It's dedicated for this.
Very nice idea.
Yeah. Kiran has never come. Only ivardan Balakrishna Shastrigal only had come and done this for 2 years for us. Tachrittvasau daitatanayah pratyayat tasya rajnyah. See, the point is pratyayat. Tasya rajnyah pratyayat. Out of Vishwasa, out of that belief towards the king here. Tasya rajnyah pratyayat Vishwasat. Tachritva, having heard those words. Ashwathama hataha iti daita tanayah. Drona, who is very dear, who's to whom he has towards his son he has a great affection. Daita tanayah. Daitaha tanayah yasya. To whom his son is very dear. Tadrishaha Dronaha Shastrani Ajau Nayana Salilam Chapi Tulyam Mumocha. Along with his Shastram Ajau Yuddhe Rana Bhumau, in the battlefield, he let go of both his weapons and his tears. Nayana Salilam Shastrani Cha Tulyam Mumocha. This is that Sahokti. Yeah. Along with the tears, his அப்படியே ஒரு செகண்ட் அந்த to hear it from Yudhishthira's mouth, he immediately dropped his weapon and tears flowed from his eyes. Okay. Ashwathama hataiti pritha sununa spashtamuktva swairam sheshe gajaiti kila vyahritam satyavacha tachhrutva asau daitatanayah dronaha pratyayat tasya rajnyah. That is the main reason here. Shastrani ajau nayana salilam chapi tulyam mumocha. You could also take this as Kavilinga Alankara, where that how can Drona drop his weapons and cry in a battle? It is being justified by the fact that he had so much of belief towards Yudhishthira. Tasya rajnyah pratyayat iti tatra karanam uktam. Ashwathama. Ha tata, ha sutavatsala, ha vritha madartha parityakta jivita, ha shaurya rashe, ha shishya priya, ha Yudhishthira pakshapatin. So he says, oh father, Sutavatsala, one who is dear to, one who loves your son so much, vritha madartha parityakta jivita, one who has let go of his life unnecessarily, vritha, in vain, for my sake, madartham, Madartham parityaktam jeevitam yena vritha parityaktam. It has been let go unnecessarily. So this vritha connects with parityaktam. So it was you left your life in vain for my sake. And then Shaurya Rashe, who is a heap of bravery here. Shishya Priya, Shishya here refers to Yudhishthira, or one Arjuna Priya. You love your student more than anything. Actually, Shishya Priya only refers to Yudhishthira here. இங்க இவர் வேற ஏதாவது போடுறாரான்னு பாக்குறேன். இல்ல, he doesn't say that. 1 minute. Shishya can be only can mean Arjuna also. It can mean Yudhishthira also in this case. Of course, Yudhishthira pakshapatim iti uktatvat tatra purvam shishya priya ityatra Arjunaha eva priyaha iti vaktum shakyate. So take this as Yudhishthira pakshapatin, one who is shows favoritism towards Yudhishthira, right? Or shishya priya can mean you who are fond of all of your shishyas in general. Right? So anything that they say, you will naturally believe more than anybody else. Iti roditi, he cries.
So can it also mean Drishtadyumna?
Drishtadyumna avarta kathukaliye, illa?
He went there, right?
Adu enakku theriyala correcta.
No, Drishtadyumna was his disciple as well.
Student
He
of,
was?
He was, yeah, he was a disciple.
Okay.
Yeah, on the Gita, first shlok yeah, Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
yeah.
First chapter, first third or fourth shlok varo.
So that was the greatness of Drona, right? Even after knowing that he's born with the
Correct.
purpose of killing him, he still teaches.
Ana inge vandu you can't take it as Drishtadyumna. Yenna Ashwathama does not know as yet that he was killed by Drishtadyumna.
Okay.
I think
Yeah,
here it
this
refers
point,
to the Yudhishthira because Satyavacha has been said, right? And
Yes.
he believes Yudhishthira. So he's Shishya Priya, I think.
You like him, and at the same time you also treat your pakshapati. You have fallen into his idungra madri paksha. Sutaha Kumara alam atyanta paridevanaya karpanyena. Karpanyena is more karpanya doshavapahataha irukilya. அந்த மாதிரி கார்பண்யம்ங்கிறது செல்ஃப் பிட்டி. ஸோ அலம் அத்தியந்த பரிதேவனையா இனஃப் ஆஃப் ரொம்ப அப்படியே புலம்பாதங்கிற இனஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸஸ் சாரோ பரிதேவனம் அண்ட் கார்பண்யம். கார்பண்யம் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு a kind of self-pity here. Deenatvam. Ashwathama. Shrutva vadham mama mrisha suta vatsalena tatat tvayasaha sharaihi asavo vimuktaha jivamyaham punaraho bhavata vinapi krurepi tanmayi mudha tava pakshapataha. Mama vadham shrutva, mama mrisha vadham shrutva, hey tata, father, he is addressing his father and saying, mama mrisha vadham shrutva, suta vatsalena tvaya sharaihi saha asavaha muktaha. Both you left your life along with your weapons after hearing my death, which is false. Mama mrisha vadham, mrisha mithya vadham shrutva, having heard the false news about my death, you who are sutavatsalena, who are affectionate towards your son, you let go of your life, asavaha, your prana, your life breath along with your arrows. Sharaihi saha tvaya vimuktaha aham punaha jivami aho bhavata vinapi. The moment you heard of my death, you wanted to follow me, and so you let go of your life also. But I am alive right now. இந்த இதில் வரும்ல ரகுவம்சத்தில் மாயா ராம சிரஸ்சேதத்தை பார்த்துட்டு when Sita is still alive, she says, how can I be still alive right now? I'm lajjitasmi iti. Very similar to that. I feel ashamed that I am still alive without you. Bhavata vina api, even without you, aham jivami iti aho krure mayi mudha tava pakshapataha. Your partiality towards me is actually very cruel here. Towards me who am cruel. It is mudha. It is actually fruitless. It is in vain that you are showing you like me so much. That preeti is in vain. I am not doing what is அதாவது நீ காமிக்கிற ஒரு ஆசைக்கு அழகா நானும் திரும்பி போயிருக்கணும் உன்னோட, ஆனா போகல பாரு, தேவையில்லாத உன்னோட ஆசையை மேல நீ காமிக்கிறியேங்கிற. Krure mai. I am being cruel and I am not following you in your footsteps. You, whereas you are so attached to me, the moment you heard the news of the death, you immediately let go of your life. But I have not done that. அதாவது இவனுக்கு immediately he should have died right then அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக. காமம் ஜீவதி மேநாத இதிசா விஜஹௌ சுச்சம் பிராங்மத்வா சத்தியம் அஸ்யாந்தம் ஜீவிதாஸ்மீதி லஜ்ஜிதா. அதுதான் அந்த ரகுவம்சம். When I heard that Rama is gone, I should have died at that moment itself. Jeevitasmi, that I am still living. I feel ashamed to see that அப்படிங்கிறா. அதே மாதிரி இங்க ஜீவாமி அகம் இதி அஹோ krure mai mudha tava pakshapataha. You unnecessarily showed so much of affection towards me. Pakshapataha here you can take it as a partiality towards me, who am cruel indeed. I am not following your footsteps here. Iti moham upagataha. He again falls unconscious here. Samashvasitu kumaraha iti sutaha vadati atra. So compose yourself. Then Kripa enters. Kripa is Kripacharya is the uncle of Ashwathama. So Kripi, the sister of Kripa, was Drona's wife. Sodvegam Nishwasya. He has still not seen Ashwathama. Kripa just enters and he is talking first here. Dik sanujam kurupatim dig ajata shatrum dig bhupatin viphala shastra bhruto dig asman keshagrahak kalu tada drupadatmajayaha dronasya cha adya likhitairiva vikshito yehi. This is where he says, I was just standing and looking at the insult that happened to Draupadi then. And even now, when the same kind of a insult was happening to Drona, I couldn't do anything. I was just standing there as if I was drawn on a picture. Dhik sanujam kurupatim. Kurupatihi Duryodhana. Sanujaha. Along with his anuja, Dushasanena saha Kurupatihi api tatra asit tamapi dikyoge dvitiya. So when you add dik, the padam which you want to criticize, that padam should be in dvitiya vibhakti. So dik sanujam kurupatim. திக்குங்கிறத வந்து எப்படி டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்றது? சிச்சி அப்படிங்கிறோமே, அதுதான். Fie upon this person அப்படின்னு. Yeah, I know. அது தமிழ்லயும் அதுக்கு பெரிய வார்த்தை இல்ல, சீச்சி அந்த வார்த்தை தான் அது, திக் அப்படிங்கிறது. குருபதிம் சானுஜம் குருபதிம் திக். It implies that it is useless. That the presence of them, the presence of Duryodhana along with Dushasana proved to be useless there. So they are worthy of criticism. அதான் அர்த்தம் திக்குக்கு. திக் அஜாத சத்ரு. அஜாத சத்ரு எஸ்ய சத்ருஹு ஏவ ந ஜாதஹான்னு அர்த்தம். ஒன் ஹூ பின்னாடி வருதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I think Ashwathama says that somewhere in the next ஸ்லோகாவோ எங்கேயோ இங்கே வந்து பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா சொல்லுவான். ந த்வேக்ஷி யஜ்ஜனம் அதஹா த்வம் அஜாத சத்ருஹும். He addresses Yudhishthira and says this: you do not have any hatred towards anybody. That is why you are called Ajata Shatru. Only if one shows a hatred towards another person can there be an enemy to him. So Ajata Shatru is a person who can never have an enemy at all because he doesn't show hatred towards anybody. Ajata Shatrum Dhik, he also has to be criticized at that point because he is the one who was instrumental in Drona dropping his weapons at that moment. And he became the reason for Drona to be killed also. Dik Bhupatina Viphala Shastra Bhritaha Bhupatina Dik. This is also in Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. chichi and the bhupatigalum waste adinu. They were also useless. The kings who were all standing there unnecessarily carrying weapons in their hands, viphala, which was futile. The weapons that they were carrying were also useless in this case because Drona was killed despite the fact that those kings were present. So dik tanapi, they are also useless. Dik asman, he didn't spare himself. He is saying, I have to be criticized also here. Asmaniti, plural for himself here. The reason he says is, Yaihi asmabihi, only us, that is in the sense that he is talking about Kripa himself. Keshagraha kalu tada drupadatmajayaha dronasya cha adya vikshitaha yaihi asmabihi likitaihi Tan dik, or you can talk about everybody here. When he says Yaihi, it not only talks about Kripa, it talks about Duryodhana, Dushasana, Yudhishthira, other kings who were all assembled, and Kripacharya. Everybody were looking at both the insult that happened to Draupadi before in the Sabha, and today what happened to Drona. Both actions were the same. Ennana keshagraha. They were both, pulled by their hair. The seizing of the hair, the pulling of the hair for Draupadi was also seen by us. And Dronasya cha adya. So tada, during the Dyuta Krida samaye, Drupadatmajayaha keshagraha yaihi asmabihi vikshitaha. The pulling of the hair was seen by us, and adya, today, dronasya keshagraha asmabihi vikshitaha. That was also the seizing of the hair of Drona, because Drishtadyumna, he pulled the hair of Drona and Shirascheda Makarot. அதை விட ஒரு இன்சல்ட் இல்லைல்ல, அதான் Dronasya keshagraha, holding on to the hair is something, it is very insulting actually. So keshagraha, Dronasya keshagraha cha yaihi asmabihi vikshitaha. How did we all see both incidents? We did not do any action at that point of time. Likhitaihi iva. அதாவது லிখিதம்னா சித்திர லிখিதம் இவ இத்தியர்த்தா. சித்ரார்பித ஆரம்ப இவாவதஸ்தேன்னு இருக்கும் இதுல. Both in Raghuvamsha and Kumara Sambhavam, Kalidasa uses this phrase. Chitre arpitha arambha iva avataste. When Dilipa takes his arrow and tries to hit the Simha to protect Nandini, he couldn't move his hand at all. He was just standing there as if he was painted in a picture. It was due to the mahima of that lion, it just stopped the whole thing. And Chitrarpita Vavatasthe, idu vera. Manmathan kuda, he couldn't move at that point of time. Na angi varu in Kumara Sambhavam also. Durga Saptasatiliyon, and the Keshagraha, the insult of Keshagrahangarthukku, he will say, if you don't come on your own, then don't let yourself get into the humiliation of being pulled by the hair to Nishumbha and Shumbha. அப்படின்னு அந்த தூதன் வந்து தேவிட்ட சொல்லுவான். அது ஒன்று. Adya likhitaihi iva. So likhitaihi iva vikshitaha, this is an utpreksha alankara. As if we were all painted on a picture, this pulling of hair of both Draupadi at that time and Dronasya adya cha vikshitaha, by whom it was all seen. Tana dik. You connect the tat shabdam here. Tam kurupatim sanujam dik, tam ajata shatrum dik, tan viphala shastra britaha bhupatin dik, tan asman dik. Okay. Dik sanujam kurupatim dik ajata shatrum dik bhupatin viphala shastra brito dik asman. Keshagraha kalu tada drupadatmajayaha dronasya cha adya likhitairiva vikshito yaihi. Tad kathannu kalu vatsam adya drakshyami ashwathamanam. How do I go and see the child Ashwathama? the relationship between uncle and nephew is a very special relationship actually. So adnala he feels so much, he is unable to go and he can't think of himself going and conveying this news to him. Athava himavatsara guru chetasi jnata lokasthitau tasmin nakhalu shokavegam aham ashanke. He has a very high opinion about Ashwathama here. Himavat sara guru chetasi, one whose chetas mind is very heavy or gambhiram, guru. It is kallu madri irukungro illaya, that which is very deep, like the saram essence of Himavat Parvata. It's as hard as that of the inner, if you keep on going inside the Himavat Parvata, it will still be hard and very solid. You can take it as solid here. So his mind is as solid as the inner part of Himavat Parvata. Jnata lokasthito. He also knows what is lokasthiti. Lokasthiti meaning the நடைமுறைங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, உலகத்தினுடைய நடைமுறை என்னங்கிறது அவனுக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ லோக யாத்ரா கீத்ரிஷி இது சஹா து ஜானாத்யேவ தஸ்மின். These are all adjectives to tasmin here, as in Ashwathamani. Himavad sara guru chetasi jnata lokasthitau tasmin Ashwathamani. Shoka avegam na ashanke. இங்க இருக்கு ashanke. I do not suspect him to become overcome by grief, because he has a mind which is very strong, and he also knows about how the world runs. Lokasthiti. Kintu எப்படி இருந்தாலுமே father's insult is not something that you can easily forget or easily overcome. So pituhu paribhavam asadrisham upashrutya na jane kim vyavasyati iti. He may have taken it lightly or taken it in his stride. If it had happened very normally to his father, he wouldn't have been so upset about it, right? So pituhu paribhavam, because it was an insult to his father, and asadrisham, something that is that should not have happened. Nothing like of this format has happened to anybody at all. So upashrutya, having heard something like this which is not appropriate. Sadrisham is appropriate, asadrisham is inappropriate. Pituhu paribhavam, father's insult, having heard this, na jane kim vyavasyati iti. I don't know how he is going to act, what he is going to do. अथवा एकस्य तावत् पाकोयं दारुणो भुवि वर्तते केशग्रहे द्वितीयेऽस्मिन् नूनं निश्शेषिताः प्रजाः. This is completely like a forewarning madri irukku, because we know the story, we realize that this could be the satyavakana ரிஷீணாம் புனராத்யானாம் வாச்சம் அர்த்தோனுதாவதீம். உத்தரராமச்சரிதத்துல பௌபூதி says this. Laukikanam hi sadhunam artham vag anuvartate. So laukika sadhu, people who are normal people, they will only use words which follow the meaning. That is, whatever is established meaning, they will only say those words. Whereas rishinam punar adhyanam, if they are ancient rishis who have that tapas in them, vacham arthonudavati, they will say some words, but the artham will come running behind those words to make it true. அந்த மாதிரி இங்க வந்து ஏகஸ்ய தாவத் பாகோயம் தாருணோ புவி வர்த்ததே. ஏகஸ்ய ஏகஸ்ய அத்திர தூ யூ கேன் டேக் இட் அஸ் பரிபவஸ்ய. அது இங்க ஏகஸ்ய அசதிருஷஸ்ய பரிபவஸ்ய பரிபாகः एव अत्र भुवि युद्धरूपः दारुणः भयङ्करः अधुना प्रवर्तन् अस्ति. This very cruel transformation, or pakaha nama, it's a paripaka result. The result already we are seeing a very dreadful result of what happened before. Ekasya paribhavasya. So of one insult or one keshagraha, you can take it as a connection to the keshagraha. So ekasya keshagrahasya pakaha, the result of the one seizing of hair is being seen right now as a very dreadful thing, or as a very terrible thing right now on this bhumi, in the form of a yuddha. So I don't know what is going to happen for the second one. Keshagrahe dvitiye asmin, in the matter of with this second seizure of hair which has taken place in the form of pulling Drona's hair, Nunam, definitely prajaha nisheshitaha completely extinct. Sheshaha eva na vidyate tatha kurvati karotyeva Ashwathama. So he is going to இந்த ஒரு புல்லு பூண்டு கூட மிச்சம் வைக்காத அழிச்சுடுறோங்கிறது இருக்கு பாருங்க, அதான் நிஷேஷிதாகான்னு அர்த்தம். He is going to destroy all of the santati, இல்லையா, progeny of Pandavas here. So Noonam Nisheshitaha Prajaha, definitely all of the subjects or all of the lineage itself is going to become extinct here. Then he looks at Ashwathama, Vilokya Tadayam Vatsas Tishtati. You see, Ashwathama is standing here. Yavad upasarpami, let me go near him. Upasritya sasambramam. He goes near him. And where did we leave Ashwathama? Adha paathukanum. அப்போதான் இதெல்லாம் வந்து நமக்கு கனெக்ட் ஆகும். We left Ashwathama where he was Samashvasitu Kumaraha. So அப்படியே அவன் வந்து he is still Moham Upagataha, he has completely lost his consciousness and the charioteer is trying to regain his consciousness. So Kripa approaches him and says, Vatsa Sasambramam. He sees him and then ஒரு கிட்டக்க போன உடனே he sees that he is unconscious and immediately tries to revive him. Samashvasihi, compose yourself. Ashwathama Samgyam Labdva Sasram. He regains consciousness and with tears in his eyes he says, Ha Tata Sakala Bhuvanaika Guru. One who is the Guru. He is the teacher for the entire world here. Yudhishthira. Then odane he Akashe Lakshyam Badhva. Akashengarche, it is as if he is addressing Yudhishthira directly. Sometimes we also do that, right? If that person is not present in our midst, we just think that they are present there and then look at the sky and talk to them directly. So he addresses Yudhishthira and says the shloka. Yudhishthira. Ajanmano navitatham bhavata kiloktam na dvekshi. Dveshtiன்னு ஒரு ரீடிங் இருக்கு, dvekshi அப்படின்னு இருக்கு. Yajjanam ataha tvam ajata shatruhu tate gurau dvijavare mama bhagya doshat சர்வம் ததேக பதையேவ கதன் நிரஸ்தம். என்ன ஒரு பியூட்டிஃபுல் இது தெரியுமா? ஆ ஜன்மனஹ, ரைட் ஃப்ரம் யுவர் பர்த், பவதா விததம் ந கில உக்தம். இட்ஸ் அ வெரி சிம்பிள் ஸ்லோகா, ஆனா வெரி பவர்ஃபுல் வேர்ட்ஸ். See, we take this as an example in many of these shlokas from Veni Samharam are taken as examples by Dhvanyalokakara to show the difference. See, he can show a very complex shloka with rasam. He can also show a sloka with very simple words without any complex samastapadam or 4-5 compounded words, without any of those things, and he is able to bring out that rasam also. Adudanga ajanmanaha na vitatham bhavata kila uktam. Bhavata, by you. Ajanmanaha, from your birth. ஜன்மனஹா ஆரப்ய ஆஜன்மனஹா தனியா இருக்கணும்ல. ஆஜன்ம ஆ ஜன்மனஹான்னு ஸ்பிளிட்டா இருக்கணும். பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் நாட் அ சமஸ்த பதம். ஜன்மனஹாங்கிறது 5th கேஸ்ல இருக்கு. இஃப் இட் வாஸ் சமஸ்த பதம் then it should just be ஆஜன்ம as a சமஸ்த பதம். ஸோ தனித்தனியா இருக்கணும். आ जन्मनः न वितथम भवता किल उक्तम. You did not speak any falsehood, any untruth right from your birth. न द्वेक्ष यत जनम न द्वेक्षि. The fact that you do not show hatred towards anybody, you don't carry hatred towards anybody. Because of that reason, ataha tvam ajata shatruhu. That is why you don't have any enemy. That is why you are also called ajata shatru, one who has no enemy at all. Na jataha ajataha shatruhu yasya. Tate gurau dvijavare. See, tate, my father, guru, who is also your guru. Your both guru can mean teacher and an elderly person. Dvijavare, he is also a great Brahmana. in that towards that father, towards that great person Drona, mama bhagya doshat, because of my unfortunate bhagyam, adhaadu en vidhi அப்படிங்கிறோம்ல, அதான் mama bhagya doshat, because of a fault in my fate, right? If all of these things has been nirastaha, nirastam, it has completely been removed in just one step. Sarvam tat ekapade eva, ekapadengarache in just one sentence nu eduthukalaanga, or in one step itself, with just one action, all of these things have been thrown away. Edu your satyavachitvam, ajata shatrutvam, Ashwatthama has now become a shatru. Adanga. The idea is he has spoken a falsehood, and when he knew that it will be portrayed or it will be taken by Drona as truth, Terinjinde he did that. That is his fault, yeah, Yudhishthira's fault there. The other one is he had the name of Ajatashatru, and in this one action, now he has gained a Shatru in Ashwatthama. Ada. Sarvam tat ekapade eva katham nirastam. இப்படி பண்ணிட்டேன்னு அர்த்தம். கதம்னா how did you do it இல்ல, how come you have completely removed, you have completely thrown away all of that good thing by towards my father. அதுதாங்க.
Shatru is Drona or Ashwatthama?
அஸ்வத்தாமா தான் இங்க, துரோணர் இல்ல. துரோணர் நம்பிதானே விட்டார். Drona is gone, so Drona has no clue that he had spoken a lie. So he was gone even before that. Adanga. So tate gurau dvija vare mama bhagya doshat sarvam nirastam angarche, in this matter ne eduthukano. Drona vishayetu yat tvaya kritam tena karmana tat sarvam nirastam, tat sarva prasiddhi nirasta iti. சரியா?
No one can least suspect that.
Yudhishthira will say this.
Yeah, Yudhishthira will say this, yeah.
So when it says Tate Gurau and then the other Saptami, Tatra Yat Kritam, in that Tad Vishaye Yat Kritam Bhavata.
Yes. Ama. That's what நினைக்கிறேன். இவாள்லாம் அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் கொடுக்கல. அதுதான் பிராமணே குரௌ ஏதாத்ருஷ கரணம் மம பாக்ய தோஷாதேவ ந அந்யதா சம்பவதி இதி பாவः. பரிகர அலங்காரம், கரெக்ட். ஓகே. திருத்தீய சரண ஸ்திதானாம் விசேஷணானாம் சாபிப்பிராயகத்வாத். தாத்தே பிகாஸ் he is my father and because of the fault in my destiny, அது ஒண்ணு. குரு, I told you, சாபிப்பிராயம் விசேஷனம் இல்லையா, he is your teacher as well as the elder in the, to guide you, despite that you did such an action towards him.
But how come he doesn't acknowledge Drona also watched Draupadi's, அவமானம்?
இந்த இடத்துல துரோணாஸ் அவமானத்தை பார்த்ததை தான் he is trying to club together. அவ்வளவுதான்.
Yeah, that's right. I'm saying everybody is mistakes.
Yeah, everybody's mistake.
When a great guru and dad is dead, you won't be reasoning out that he, even though if he had done some adharma, like you can't like acknowledge that.
அதெல்லாம் போய்டும். You will be blind to all that. You will be so much into your grief that you will not think about adu.
Here for Parikara Alankara, Ajatashatru is not taken.
அஜாதசத்ரு வேண்டாம், பிகாஸ் யூ நீட் விஜய். இந்த இடத்துல பவதா இஸ் தேர். ஸோ பவதா ஆல்ரெடி he is giving a reason to that word.
Yeah, it's like a common name given to Yudhishthira. That's not something extraordinarily great about it. Whereas here, I think the third pada being...
There are 3 words for Drona, right? So those 3 are the ones which are Sabipraya Visheshanam. So if you take Ajatashatru here, he is not giving it as an adjective to Yudhishthira, nor is it just to indicate Yudhishthira, but it is in the form of an explanation for that word. It is a vyutpatti for that word.
So actually, like when you said,
The abhiprayam has been given in the sentence itself.
and the Abhiprayam is that he has become a Shatru, right? But by calling him Ajata Shatru, the implication is that now he's a Shatru, right? So it's a Parikarankura maybe?
Parikarankura, even I was thinking that.
But that's
ஆனா
not
அது வந்து விவக்ஷால வந்துடுறது. நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, see the point itself, இப்ப பரிகராங்குரத்திலையும் பரிகராலங்காரத்திலையும் எப்படின்னா, the abhiprayam should not be mentioned in the shloka itself. If it is mentioned in the shloka, then it doesn't make sense, no?
But it's not mentioned here, right?
It is in the sense of ekapade nirastam iti.
Tadekapada eva katam nirastam. Next, fourth line.
Ekapade kim nirastamasti ajata shatrutvam iti va.
Ada ajata shatrutvam, satyavachitvam, both.
Oh, okay. Okay.
janmanah na vitatam bhavata.
இல்லையா? So then that won't fit. இங்க whereas gurau andallam explain பண்ணாத வெறும்னா he has just given adjectives 1 2 3. So then that is parikara alankara. அதுல டவுட் வரக்கூடாது.
Yeah, it's clear now. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, yeah.